that grain wagon this year.
Oh yeah?
Got a smaller one. This one holds about 1,100 bushels. The one we had before was only like 470.
Oh goodness.
So that's just a huge, huge increase.
Oh, I was gonna say.
This will hold a little bit more than a semi-load.
And then also, say you get twice the gas economy out of this because you're holding twice the
Sure. Everything is so much more efficient.
Yeah, half as many trips to pick up.
Right.
So is that buzzer, is that indicating that you're dumping?
Yeah, that is right here. If you look up here, got the unloading auger on.
Oh yeah.
No, you don't forget you got your auger on and do something stupid.
Go down a row of telephone poles.
Yeah, or be driving through the field, come by and leave your auger on, you just dump it all back on the ground. I saw that happen one time.
That's good.
Just for the record, I wasn't driving.
Well, I guess that's a lesson I guess you hate to learn through experience.
Yeah, something you don't want to do. They got a lot of things idiot-proofed on here, and that helps too. Okay, I'm empty.